Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Saeco Intelia espresso machine. Now this machine was brought here because he was having the bent icon constantly, and that was because this water pump right here, this one that you see right here from 2016, it's no longer working. This was inside the machine and we had to replace it. Once we replaced that, we had to do a tune-up on the machine. The service interval unit that you see right there is carrying the machine, replacing a valve on the machine itself, this one, and we also had to replace the flow valve. This goes above the machine like this, and water pushes out through here and then through here. So we had to replace these two, and that's all we did. So starting with one shot of espresso, we're gonna be testing out, then we're gonna be using the hot water and then the steam. Now we had to adjust the espresso shot on this machine as it was very long. It gave way more than 2 ounces and it was way too long. So we had to adjust it. Nice steady stream coming out of the spouts. Excellent crema as well. Good flow. And 2 ounces liquid as I program. Hot water for this machine, as you can see, is a nice steady stream coming out of the one. Excellent temperature, really great pressure. Now for steam, we're gonna be testing that out as well. The machine needs to get up to temperature. The thermal block that is located right here on the machine needs to get up to temperature. Once it does that, the water pump that is located right behind it will push water through the thermal block, going through this valve. You see right here, and instead of going through here, it's gonna go through the other side, which is connected to a two-way valve that opens up and releases the steam, as you see right there. And as you can see, nice steady steam coming out of the machine. Excellent pressure, looking great, working excellent. So there you have it, Saeco Intelia working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for repairing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit that like, hit that bell, and thanks for watching.